So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this title zoom transition. So first, we're going to want to start off with a blank slide. Then insert the image of your choice. Then once you've inserted your image, go to Insert, click on Shapes, and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Make sure that the edges are matching the edges of the slide itself. Then insert your text box for your title. Pick a font face that is large and bold. Then make the text really large. Then with your text box selected, hold down Shift and click on the rectangle you made earlier. Then click on Merge Shapes and click on Combine. Then you can right click and format shape to change the fill, or essentially the background for this slide. Then go ahead and duplicate your slide. Then go to the second slide, select the rectangle, which is essentially combined with the text now, and zoom out using Control and the scroll wheel, and make this extremely large. Make sure to hold down Shift so you don't lose the ratio of it. What you essentially want to do is make this large enough such that the entire slide fits in the gap of one letter, or the space between one letter, such that it is entirely visible. And you can reposition it as you please. So I've repositioned it like this, and then you can select both slides, go to Transitions, and click on Morph. Now, let us see the result. So that's it for this tutorial. If you did find it helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned with more tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.